So you've enjoyed extending your Apple laptop screen onto your TV. And now it's time to bring everything back to your laptop. Here's how to seamlessly disconnect. First, locate the Control Center icon in the top right corner of your Mac's menu bar. It typically looks like a couple of overlapping circles. Clicking this icon will bring up the Control Center panel. Look for the screen mirroring option within this panel. It will likely have an icon associated with it, perhaps a rectangle within a rectangle. If you are currently mirroring your display, you'll see your TV listed as the connected device to disconnect. Simply click on the Stop Mirroring button that appears next to your TV's name. And just like that, your Apple laptop's display will revert back to its original state, completely disconnecting from your TV and returning full control to your laptop screen. You've successfully stopped mirroring, and your Apple laptop is now disconnected from your TV, ready for you to use wherever you please. Easy, right?